Well, Milton, Xmas is upon us once again. I know, this year has gone by so fast, it's hard to believe it's almost 2007. Actually, it's almost 2009. That's how hard to believe it is. Cute. Well, Milton, I have to say I don't think I've ever seen a more beautiful Xmas rectangle. Considering it's the first one in existence, that doesn't surprise me. True. Still, I sincerely think you did a marvelous job of decorating this year. Thank you, Milton. Thank you. Well, thank you for saying that, Dr. K. That's really sweet of you. You're welcome. I am assuming that that compliment was my Xmas present. Money has been a little tight this year. I understand. I wonder who that could be. You could answer it. True. Hello? Xmas Carolers! I didn't know people still went Xmas caroling.
We do it by video conference now. Yeah, it's a lot more efficient.
Neat. Well, splendid. Let's hear some carols.
Okie dokie. Now at last it's Xmas.
Now at last it's Xmas.
And we're here to say we can never thank you all for all the joy you've given us, but most of all we hope you have a very happy Xmas Day.
Thank you all. That was lovely. Yeah, it's a shame you're doing your caroling by video. We got all these cookies here. We're about to go make some fresh eggnog from scratch, maybe some hot chocolate with a little something inside. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, we'd invite you in, but technology does not permit. That goes for all of you out there, too. Although I'm not sure that you'd all fit in here. That's a point. Well, congratulations on getting around the great big burning gas ball in the sky one more time. What? The sun. I'm talking about the sun. We made it around the sun one more New Year. Never mind. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. So you're not calling me a great big burning gas ball? No, not at this juncture. That's a small comfort.